Hi everyone. So we've mentioned the research we did with the University of Huddersfield quite a lot in our tutorials, but we thought that a lot of you maybe haven't seen the full research or maybe wouldn't have time to read it all. So we thought we'd do a really quick sort of 4-minute video, and maybe it's even shorter than that, just to explain a little bit about it so you don't have to go through it all. So Helen, what was the reason for doing the research?
So the reason behind it was that we wanted to understand when partner marketing is working well, what is actually happening, what other factors are at play. So we went out and we asked 50 plus different people across technology companies at varying levels, when it's working well, what is it that's happening?
Hi, what were the findings then?
Well, it was great doing it with the university because we made sure it was completely unbiased analysis, and we went through and we looked at what were the kind of the coding around different categories, and we came up with 3 overriding areas around people, strategy and culture, and within there we found 7 success factors. So under people, you'd got marketing skills, so it was really important to have experienced and mature partner marketing people that came out as crucial. Also proactive communication, so being proactive with your communications across the varying different stakeholders was more important than it was for in any other marketing role. Rapport also came out as really important, so talking and collaborating together emerged as a really big differentiator, which seems like a, potentially a fluffy thing to do, but it came out as really important. Then under strategy, we've got the importance of decision making. So rather than broad brush approaches with partners, it was very much about kind of having tailored approaches designed to fit with their business. And also under strategy, we've got differentiated propositions, which is no surprise to us, but differentiated propositions became really important, but it was much wider than just being a marketing tool. It was about how you go to market and what that looks like in many different areas. And then under culture, we've got 2 more, which was the availability of resources. So partner programs are often judged, rightly or wrongly, not by what resources or benefit they offer, but how much of a difference they can really make. And then the last thing was the significance of managerial support. So a truly partner-centric culture is a rare thing, and to achieve it, often requires quite a big cultural shift. And increasingly, marketing was playing a critical role in pushing partnerships and collaborations up the organisational ladder.
So what do you think, what was the benefit of doing this, Helen, for, I guess, us?
Yeah, I think when for the people that we're working with, in our experience over the last few years, what we found is that these findings, typically if one of these 7 success factors is not in place, it's really hard to progress any partnership marketing. So actually it's a really good thing to be able to kind of validate before you start that actually these success factors truly are in place, and each one has multiple layers underneath it, but overarching, if they're all in place, then your chances of success and generating pipeline are vastly increased.
And the risk of not doing it?
The risk of not doing it is you could go through lots of wasted cycles trying to engage, getting things going, or just have a lot of friction as well when you're going through things. So yeah, that can be really tough. And in the research paper that's on our website, we've got more detail around each of these, and we've put some practical examples under each one of things that you might want to look at to try and make it a reality. And the more of those you can put in place, you're going to increase the probability of having that frictionless experience.
Great, sounds brilliant. Okay, thanks everyone.
Thank you.